Today we wanted to discuss carpet maintenance. Extremely important to have good carpet maintenance. Has a huge bearing on the life and the durability, appearance of your carpet. So with that being said, let's start with the basics. First thing that everyone should have is a walk-off mat at the front of the door, and as you come into the house on the entryway, another walk-off mat or area rug. It's a great thing to do to have to catch all the soil, dirt, stainable things before you carry them into the house. So walk-off mats at all the doorways, on the outside of the door, as well as something to catch the soil as you come into the house or once you're in the house. Okay. That being said, another important thing that every household should have is a spot cleaner. And we talk about spot cleaning, we're talking about areas that are 2 to 3 inches in diameter. We'd never want to spot clean anything that is, 8, 9, 10 inches or larger. To do that, you should call in a professional steam cleaner. Okay, spot cleaning is for small areas. Common mistake that people make when they're spot cleaning is after they've sprayed the cleaner, correct thing to do, let it set for a minute or two, and then you blot. Okay, a lot of customers make the mistake of rubbing back and forth. They cause a lot of abrasion, a lot of wear. Okay, what you want to do is blot in one direction, turn the towel over, blot in the other direction. Again, start with a clean, fresh side of the towel, blot in the other direction, and then lastly the fourth direction. Okay? So after you've gotten most of the stain up, or as much as you can, then we're going to come back with clear water to rinse the carpeting. We're going to spray it on that, and then do the same thing with the blotting with the fresh, clean towel. Okay? You don't want to have residue on your carpet. That would be the equivalent of washing your hair, leaving the soap in. Obviously, the residue is going to attract and make it look oily, and your hair won't look good. Same basic principle with your carpet. So after you've used a spot cleaner, you want to go back with clear water and clean off, make sure you get all the residue. Okay? Another important thing to keep in mind when your carpet, after it's been installed, all the manufacturers recommend moving your carpet or changing the traffic patterns. Okay? Important to carry floor glides under any heavy furniture. All the customers have seen the indentations that a heavy sofa or chair or piano, something like that, can leave. When you do move your furniture, if that bothers the consumer, a simple fix is to get a spoon, and with the back end or a spoon like that is to pull the carpeting up. You don't want to use anything, again, that's abrasive or anything that's too sharp. That's why we recommend a spoon. Putting a little bit of moisture, a little bit of warm water, again sprayed on top in the spoon action, will actually make the carpet rebound a little bit faster, so you don't have the indentation from the furniture being moved. But it's recommended that you move your furniture, or at least change the traffic patterns, once every 6 or 8 months. That'll help give you uniform wear throughout the life of the carpet, so you don't end up with major traffic patterns. Okay? On a daily basis, vacuuming is highly recommended. Okay? A big mistake that a lot of customers make is they calculate, or they've thought that the lower the beater bar is, the better it's going to vacuum your carpet. In fact, this beater bar, and all beater bars, have nylon bristles that are quite stiff, and this beater bar spins approximately 500 to 600 rotations per minute. If it's too low and it's actually hitting the carpet, you can cause major wear to your carpet just by vacuuming it 1 or 2 times. Okay? The beater bar should lightly dust or lightly hit the top of the carpet. Okay? So it's always better to have the beater bar set higher than lower. That's something that we need to inform our customers about. Okay? So the beater bar set higher than lower. Important thing to mention to everyone. Okay? When it comes to major cleanings, all the manufacturers recommend steam cleaning by a reputable truck-mounted machine. Okay? We would never want to use any type of home cleaner, such as a Bissell or a product or a machine that you'd rent at a local grocery store. It's a surefire way to ruin your carpet. The Bissells and those machines that you rent, they actually have agitators or scrub bars that rest on your carpet, spin, and are made to actually de-twist your carpet. And a lot of people, after they've done that, they'll call and they'll say, wow, I used the Bissell and my carpet looks terrible. It looks like it's all fuzzy now. That's just because the bars or the brushes on the machine are just destroying the carpet. So in no way would a consumer ever want to clean their carpet themselves or use any type of product. Again, the manufacturers and the warranties specifically state truck-mounted machinery by a reputable steam cleaner. Here at S&G, the only steam cleaner that we recommend is Classic Touch, and that's for a number of reasons. Okay, first off, all the gentlemen at Classic Touch are approved by the Carpet and Rug Institute. They've actually gone to the classes. There are a lot of different ways to clean carpet. Actually, every carpet fiber has a different way of being cleaned. The gentlemen at Classic Touch actually test the carpet and use the appropriate chemicals. They're the only ones that I know that do that. In fact, less than 10% of all the carpet cleaners throughout the nation are certified and approved by the Carpet and Rug Institute. Okay, so that's a big one. We only recommend Classic Touch for that reason. Another reason is they don't sell carpet and pad. They have no interest in it. They only refer S&G as their floor covering store of choice. So we get referrals. So kind of like they do good for us, we do good for them. The law of reciprocity. Okay? Another reason is they know about carpet. They've been educated. They would never go in and tell a consumer that their carpet looks worn or things of that nature before they clean it. They're there strictly to clean the carpet. They're confident in their abilities. They're great carpet cleaners. So there's no reason for them to throw the carpet or the store, in this case, under the bus. There are a lot of other national chains out there, maybe Stanley Steam or Coit, places like that, that some of the employees like to recommend as a follow-up option. Please don't do that. Please don't do that. We get a lot of negative press from them. They say that the carpet hasn't worn well. They put a lot of doubt in our customer's mind. Okay? So that's why we only recommend Classic Touch. Okay? Along with that, and actually every customer should get this in their warranty packet. Okay? So that's another reason we got to make sure every customer gets the warranty packet so they know how to maintain the carpeting. Along with that, we have the S&G Carpet Care Guides that go over spot cleaning and the same type of information. Imperative that all our consumers get one of these. Okay? So, in fairness to the customer, it's up to us to educate them about the importance of maintenance. Talking with the local claims managers, Steve Marsh and Craig Trebell, most of the claims that they go on carpet are concerns over wear. When in actuality, the carpet is not worn at all, it's just dirty. It needs to be cleaned by a reputable company like Classic Touch. Okay? So with this knowledge and us helping educate our consumers, hopefully we can make for better wearing carpets and happier customers. Thanks for listening.